What's the meaning of crowded? Crowded. Crowded.
Crowded. Crowded. Crowded means a place or situation that is filled with a large number of people or things, making it difficult to move around or find space. When a place is crowded, it can cause discomfort, inconvenience, and even unsafe conditions. The atmosphere can become tense and stressful, leading to frustration and impatience. The noise level tends to rise, and personal space becomes limited. Crowded environments may also increase the risk of the spread of diseases as physical distancing becomes difficult. Overall, being in a crowded place can be overwhelming and chaotic, affecting one's mood and well-being.